Welcome creators! If you are hunting for the best 3D printer for beginners, you are in the perfect place. Today, we are breaking down 5 incredible user-friendly machines that make producing high-quality prints effortless. Let us dive into the ultimate entry-level lineup.
Product number 1. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. This is an outstanding starting point. Built around a robust metal Core XY structure, this machine is engineered for stability, offering whisper-quiet operations and minimizing unwanted vibrations. What makes this printer a game-changer for newcomers is its blazing fast 600mm per second print speed and automatic bed leveling, which completely eliminates the hassle of manual calibration. It features a quick heating nozzle that reaches optimal temperatures in just 35 seconds, ensuring your filament flows perfectly from the very first layer. Its open chamber design offers an 8.7-inch cubed build volume, giving you plenty of room for everyday creative projects. With an intuitive touchscreen and 95% pre-assembled parts out of the box, you will be launching your very first print in minutes. It is fast, affordable, and incredibly reliable.
Product number 2. Creality K2 Combo. For beginners who want to instantly step up their game with stunning multicolor creations, the Creality K2 Combo is a spectacular investment. This high-performance desktop machine introduces an advanced color filament system, allowing you to print seamlessly with up to 4 colors straight out of the box. You no longer have to worry about manual filament swaps or messy purges. Boasting an ultra-fast printing speed of 600mm per second, this machine is driven by powerful step-servo motors that guarantee precision at any pace. The 260mm cubed build volume provides excellent space for cosplay props, functional prototypes, and colorful desktop models. Moreover, its smart auto-leveling system and AI camera monitoring take all the guesswork out of the equation, immediately detecting errors and adjusting flow rates dynamically. With its sturdy aerospace-grade aluminum frame, the K2 Combo delivers professional-grade multicolor reliability while remaining exceptionally beginner-friendly.
Product number 3. FLASHFORGE AD5X Multicolor 3D Printer. It is a true masterpiece. This incredibly smart machine integrates its filament system directly inside the unit, saving you precious desk space while making 4-color printing an absolute breeze. Perfect for beginners, it requires absolutely no prior experience. You can unbox and assemble it in just 3 simple steps. Operating on a highly stable Core XY architecture, the AD5X flawlessly stops color bleeding by precisely cleaning the nozzle during material swaps. It matches top-tier speeds at 600mm per second, ensuring you spend less time waiting and more time creating. Additional perks include a 99% power outage recovery success rate and automatic filament switching when a spool runs dry. From its flexible steel build plate to one-click automatic leveling, the AD5X simplifies complex multicolor printing into a foolproof push-button experience.
Product number 4. Anycubic Kobra X. Bringing brilliant multicolor capabilities to an incredibly accessible price point, the Anycubic Kobra X multicolor 3D printer is a fantastic choice for budget-conscious creators. Anycubic has completely redesigned the print head and motion system to handle up to 4 colors natively, removing the need for confusing external hubs. This printer shines in its efficiency, specifically by optimizing the distance between the filament cutter and the nozzle to drastically reduce material waste during color swaps. It is a highly eco-friendly option that saves you money on filament over time. Beginners will love the integrated AI monitoring camera that watches your first layers and automatically pauses if things go wrong. With automated filament changes, double the typical printing speeds, and an incredibly straightforward assembly process, the Kobra X makes exploring multi-material FDM printing easier and more affordable than ever before. Product number 5. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D Printer. Rounding out our list, we have to revisit the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M because its value proposition for beginners is simply unmatched in the current market. While we highlighted its speed earlier, it is crucial to emphasize its unmatched expandability and community support. As your skills grow, this open frame printer grows with you. You can easily upgrade it with affordable DIY enclosure kits, transforming it into a closed chamber machine capable of handling advanced materials like ABS and ASE without warping. The high-flow 32 cubic millimeter nozzle ensures consistent extrusion, while the robust vibration compensation technology guarantees smooth, artifact-free surfaces on all your models. You get premium features like a direct drive extruder, PEI magnetic build plate, and effortless touchscreen navigation at an entry-level cost. It is the perfect foundational tool that perfectly balances immediate out-of-the-box simplicity with long-term educational growth for any aspiring maker.
Choosing the right machine comes down to your budget and color ambitions. The FLASHFORGE 5M provides an unbeatable, low-cost entry into high-speed printing. Meanwhile, the Kobra X, AD5X, and K2 Combo bring premium, flawless multicolor capabilities at incredibly competitive mid-range price points. Invest in the model that fits your creative vision and start building today.